What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another unboxing video of Potomac Beads Treasure Edition monthly subscription bead box. Now, this is the month of November 2023, and we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Before I do, make sure you like, subscribe, follow for more videos and content brought to you free by me, Serena the Adorned Locket. I will tell you, I work with wire a lot, but these specifically are helpful for opening jump rings. As you notice, if you look closely, there are little teeth, like serrated teeth on this set of pliers. So it's a great tool to have if you're a jewelry creator, you're working with wire, metal specifically. These are a very helpful tool. All right, let's jump right in and open this and get it out. Nice, I like that. Twilight Bloom. Let's empty the contents so you all can see here with me. So the Twilight Bloom treasure box. Then we've got the contents inside. Borealis. Okay. And these are size 4mm of Potomac crystals bicone. Bicone beads there. Beautiful light pink. Those are gorgeous. And then we've got what looks to be, these guys are called the check glass rondelle beads. Now, off camera, before you guys know, I had to get my blacklight UV reactive beads. These contain uranium. So these fluoresce under the black light. It's not going to show as well in my video here. However, they do contain uranium because they react to that black light I just put on them. These are beautiful. Now, these remind me of like little turbine beads. Those are just absolutely gorgeous. So again, those are going to be UV reactive. They are check glass. Love them. Then you've got the Potomac stretch string. So this is 0.8mm. You get 5 meters, okay? And that is crystal clear, the color of that stretch string. Nice. Now I do want to point out these are black ladybugs. They're labeled black ladybugs here. And upon closer looking under the light, they're actually transparent to where you can tell they're like a really, really deep blood red that almost appears to be black. Those are gorgeous. That is such a deep, deep red. Unless you're holding them up to the light, you'll see that they are red, but they are labeled as black ladybugs. So pretty. I love those. So you get the ladybugs there. The check butterfly beads. Now these are white. These are drilled horizontally. These are a white glass, check glass. They're flat, double-sided, and they have some pink striation there. Okay, you get those, and there are some transparent check leaf beads. Almost like a smoky translucent color. Really pretty. And now those are drilled at the top, as you see. Next up, we've got some cup buttons in the color Topazit. Apricot Full. Beautiful button clasp findings here. These are gorgeous. They're like a apricot color, like a luster if I had to describe, because it is like an AB finish there. That's beautiful. So you get 5 of those in there. You've got some Aoki seed beads in the color, let's see, galvanized Duracoat. Those are beautiful. I love the color. Anything lilac or purples, like I said, I'm a fan. You get a pretty good size tube. Like I said before, these aren't your retail store. These are a larger, much larger container of these size 8-0 Mayuki seed beads. Then you've got some twisty beads in the color Picasso Red. Now these look to be like a red colored finish. They've got some nice striations in there. Really cool. Those look neat when they're stacked as well. Here we have some hammered rings. They are 20mm inside. The color is antique brass. They're plated. Okay. Those are nice design pieces for hardware. Possibilities with those. Then we've got some antique brass plating, 19 by 8.5mm. Or excuse me, 19 by 8.5mm. Pack of 2. These are your clasps that come in handy for necklaces. Okay, really pretty, same color as the hammered rings there. Now we've also got rose gold Potomac Pearls Rose Gold. These are 3 millimeters. You get a strand of these. I love those because I always look for the smaller ones, which are harder to come by. You have to, special order these. So this is great because it's 3 millimeter. You get a long strand there, and I use them in patterns that I follow for designing, like specifically rings and bracelets. That's great. It's a 16-inch strand. Here's some large and in charge faceted beads. Now these are 18 millimeters in size. These are the color lilac purple. I love these. They remind me of disco balls. As you can see, these look fire polished on one end. And then as you rotate them, you see the transparency in the color. I love that lilac. Those are beautiful. This is probably one of my other favorites aside from the uranium strand that we've got earlier in time. These are purple hearts. So these are transparent purple. I love those. They're drilled at the top, that single hole. They're kind of like a puffy heart, nostalgic shape. I love these. To me, this means a lot because November is Veterans Day. The month of November, we celebrate that. I'm a veteran, and I love these, so I can really appreciate that they put in something like that. I don't know if that's considered an Easter egg, Potomac beads, but thank you. Or coincidence. They are lovely. I'm drawn to these, so you get 2 of those. You get some check glass nuggets in the colored frosted lilac. So these are almost like a frosted finish, like what you would see in sea glass. However, these are check glass. Frosted lilac in color. And then we've got some check filigree teardrops, pink and purples. So these are drilled vertically. The pinks you can see through. And the purples, here you've got the gemstone ovals. They're barrel shape. Now these are out of gemstones, so the color appears to be jet, but upon closer looking and under the light, you can see the brown color play in the gemstone. Okay, so those are wonderful. You get quite a bit of those guys. Now these are really cool because you get a couple sizes of check daggers. There's assorted check daggers here. I'm not sure if my camera's going to pick up on it, but can you see the striations in this dagger design here? They're really pretty. It's almost like a very delicate petal shape, but they are. I do want to take the time to mention Potomac Beads Bead On It board. I ended up getting myself one of these, and I absolutely love it. I do have a video specifically on unboxing the Bead On It board. I love it because it is so portable. It helps me when I need to transfer my items that I'm working on to a more comfortable position, elevating my legs, so to speak, in a recliner due to my medical ailments. It's just so much better to use something where my items aren't going to roll off. It's comfortable to rest my hands because to me, my hands are my lifeline. So do want to mention it. Check out what they have to offer. There's all colors, sorted patterns there. Sizes, I happen to get the half moon shape. Okay, so you can also check that video out, and I'll include that in the description box below. This month's Potomac Beads Twilight Bloom Treasure Edition subscription bead box for the month of November. Be sure to check out that description box for the link to assist you in navigating to discover the many items that Potomac Beads has to offer, along with their monthly subscription boxes. Look forward to seeing you all back again at next month's unboxing. Thank you so much.